manufacturer's deceit abetted by the retailer, Lowe's Hardware. I bought these a couple of days ago. They're printed and sold as large, but they're not large at all. They're medium. I could barely get them on my hands, and my hands aren't that large. There are plenty of men who have hands who are much bigger than me, taller. I'm only 5'8", and much bigger hands. It's a deceit. I'm going to return them to the store. At a Bartell store, I bought these gloves, also marked large, Libman, made by some company in Libman Company in Illinois, and also can barely get them on. They're not large at all. They're medium. It's a real deceit by the manufacturer and a scam and a fraud for the consumer. People can report this sort of consumer theft to the State Attorney General of Consumer Affairs in whatever state you live or work in, or both.